In this lecture, you'll learn how to define and communicate clear roles and responsibilities across your security program. You'll explore how to structure your core security functions, assign accountability, and prevent overlaps or gaps. By the end of this session, you'll know how to build a team structure where everyone understands their role and how it connects to the bigger picture. Unclear responsibilities lead to dropped balls, duplicated efforts, and misaligned expectations, especially in complex or growing organizations. As a security leader, you need to make sure your team knows who does what, who owns what, and who needs to be involved when. This clarity drives efficiency, accountability, and trust across both your security function and the wider business. To lead a successful security program, you need to start by defining clear roles and accountability. Whether you're running a lean security team or supporting a large distributed organization, you'll need to map out who is doing what and where ownership sits. You'll learn how to use models like RACI, responsible, accountable, consulted, informed, to clarify who owns which decisions and deliverables. This becomes especially critical when you're managing high-stakes areas like incident response, vulnerability management, or identity governance, where even small delays or miscommunications can have serious consequences. From there, you'll deepen your understanding of the core security functions that form the foundation of your program. These include identity and access management, threat detection and response, security architecture, governance, risk, and compliance, security awareness training, and data protection and privacy. You'll look at how each of these functions contributes to your overall risk posture, and how to ensure they're properly staffed, scoped, and aligned with the business. Getting these pillars in place allows your team to operate proactively, not reactively. Of course, clarity often breaks down in the real world. You'll explore where role confusion and silos typically occur, such as overlapping responsibilities between IT and security, or unclear accountability for cloud platforms. You'll learn how to untangle these by aligning roles with business impact, rather than relying on job titles or team boundaries. Your goal is to build a program where roles are respected, interfaces are well defined, and no critical responsibility falls through the cracks. Finally, you'll expand your view beyond the security team. True security leadership means engaging business stakeholders, from legal and HR to application owners and senior management. You'll define what roles they play in risk acceptance, access decisions, compliance initiatives, and incident readiness. By treating them as part of your extended security function, you turn policy into partnership and make security everyone's business, not just yours. So, what's your leadership takeaway? People don't resist security because they're unwilling. They resist when they're unclear. When you make responsibilities visible, logical, and fair, you give your team and your stakeholders the clarity they need to act confidently.